Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide duplicate entries in Excel. So let's start. So this is my Excel and here you can see I have a simple data. So in this data there are some duplicate entries is showing. You can see the name of product keyboard name of customer is same, amount also same, date also same, payment method also same, and store location. So these are the some duplicate entries available in this data. So these entries I'm going to hide. So let's start how it's done. Simply select the cell inside the data, then use the Control A to select the entire data. After that, go to the data tab. In sort and filter group, click on the advanced option, and here the advanced filter dialog box is open. In action, the first option is automatically selected. After that, select the range of data. Here, the range also automatically selected. It's not just click on this arrow and select the entire range of data. So I select here the range, then click on this arrow again. Okay. After that, just click on the unique records only. So here I click the unique records only. It means others, those are duplicates data will hide, duplicate entries will hide, and unique data will show here. Just click on OK. That's it. Here you see only the unique data is showing here and the duplicate data is hidden. And if you want to unhide again this data, simply select the cell inside the data, same as press the Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to the data tab and same as in sort and filter group, click on the advanced. And here, just click on OK and that's it. You can see your data is unhide. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.